Is it possible that machines could one day outsmart us? A question that has intrigued minds and sparked countless debates for decades. Yet the answer lies not in the realm of science fiction, but in the very real world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. To truly grasp the mystery of AI, we must first understand what it is. At its core, artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine or computer program to think and learn, much like a human. It's about creating systems capable of understanding, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language comprehension. The origins of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century, with pioneers like Alan Turing laying the theoretical groundwork. Turing, a mathematician and computer scientist, proposed the idea that machines could mimic human intelligence, marking the inception of AI as a scientific discipline. Since then, AI has evolved dramatically. Early AI systems were rule-based and could only perform tasks they were specifically programmed to do. However, the advent of machine learning, a subset of AI, has enabled systems to learn from experience, improve their performance, and even make decisions. Artificial intelligence has a profound impact on society and our day-to-day lives. It's in the voice assistant that wakes us up in the morning, the GPS that guides us to our destination, the recommendation algorithms that suggest what movie to watch or what product to buy next. It's in the healthcare systems that diagnose diseases, and in the financial systems that predict market trends. AI makes our lives easier, more efficient, and in many ways, more exciting. But it's not just about convenience. AI also has the potential to solve complex problems, from climate change to disease outbreaks, and can help us make more informed decisions, both as individuals and as a society. So as we can see, artificial intelligence is not just a concept, but a reality that is deeply intertwined with our everyday life. And as we continue to unravel its mysteries, we might just find that the future of AI holds even more promise and potential than we can currently imagine. But how does artificial intelligence work exactly? Well, let's dive right into it. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is all about machines learning from data and making decisions based on that information. Imagine feeding your computer a diet of data, a buffet of numbers, images, and text. This data feast helps the machine recognize patterns, much like how we humans learn from our experiences. Now let's break down some jargon. You've probably heard terms like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and algorithms thrown around. Don't worry, we'll simplify them. First off, machine learning. Think of it as the baby step in the AI journey. Here, machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. They adjust their responses based on the patterns they recognize. It's like teaching a toddler to identify shapes. The more shapes they see, the better they get at identifying them. Deep learning, on the other hand, is like machine learning on steroids. It's a subset of machine learning that mimics the way our human brain works, using something called neural networks. These networks are inspired by the neurons in our brain, and they help machines identify patterns in a deeper, more complex manner. It's akin to teaching a teenager to solve a calculus problem. There's a lot more complexity involved. Now, let's talk about algorithms. In the simplest terms, an algorithm is a set of rules or instructions that a machine follows. It's like a recipe that tells the machine how to make sense of the data. But it's not all about the technicalities. AI ethics is a crucial part of the conversation. As we develop these intelligent systems, we must ensure they're used responsibly. We need to consider privacy, fairness, and the potential impact on society. It's a bit like teaching our teenager not just calculus, but also the importance of honesty and responsibility. Understanding these complexities helps us appreciate the intelligence behind artificial intelligence. It's a fascinating world where technology meets human ingenuity, and understanding it allows us to harness its potential responsibly and effectively. Now that we know what AI is and how it works, what could the future hold for this fascinating technology? Just imagine the possibilities. In healthcare, AI could revolutionize diagnosis and treatment, enabling us to detect diseases earlier and more accurately. In education, it could deliver personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's unique needs and pace. And in transportation, it could drive us towards a future where self-driving cars are the norm, reducing traffic congestions and accidents. But as we stand on the brink of this brave new world, there are also fears to address. Some worry about job losses as automation takes over, while others fear that AI could become too powerful. It's important to note, however, that the goal of AI is not to replace us, but to augment our abilities, to take over tasks that are dangerous or mundane, freeing us to focus on what truly matters. As we step into the future, it's clear that artificial intelligence will continue to shape our world in ways we can't even imagine yet.